Want to give your Poco phone the iPhone-style emojis without changing the entire look of your device? In this video, I'll show you how to use Font 3 to apply iPhone emojis on Poco step by step. We'll choose the right emoji style in Font 3, apply it to the phone, and check whether the new emojis appear correctly. I'll also show you what to do if the change doesn't take effect immediately. Watch until the end, because there's one important step that many users miss. Follow along with me, and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to get the iPhone-style emoji look on your Poco.